Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm also a marketing psychologist. So today's topic is like why we should learn marketing and why uh, I think everyone should learn marketing in sales. Like these are the skills should everyone learn. Okay, so let me share my screen with you. Okay, so today's topic is like why should we learn marketing or why invest time and energy in learning marketing. So okay, so there are some points you will be convinced by these points. I think like everyone should learn marketing because like okay, so the first point is marketing education has a long shelf life because it is rooted in human psychology and understanding the market. So yeah, marketing education is a long shelf life yeah, because it is related to human psychology. Like what is marketing? Marketing is like uh, uh, play with human psychology. You can say play with human psychology or understand human psychology and try to convince them. Marketing is like try to convince them, and to try to convince anyone. We understand. We need to understand their psychology or his psychology. So yeah, and marketing is all about the understanding the human psychology and the human behavior. Okay, so the first point is like, yeah, it is rooted with human psychology, understanding the market. Second point is like, marketing as a topic has existed since the dawn of civilization, since the first market square appeared in the first villages. Okay, so yeah, marketing, the existence of marketing is very uh, marketing is a very old topic. We can say like marketing is a very old topic, or the when civilization start, marketing is also started. Has also started like to do anything. We need marketing. So, okay. Third point is marketing is the most valuable investment in a business because it gives direct returns. Everything else like production, manufacturing, HR, accounting, administration is an expense that doesn't give immediate ROI. Okay, so the like marketing start before you creating a product. Like marketing is all about understanding the customer's need. Like what type of product or service my customer will require, and yeah, what type of customer product and service customers will require. So according to that, making a product is like part of marketing. So marketing starts before creating a product, and uh, it also happen after selling or after selling a product or after delivering a product to the customer. Okay, so marketing cannot be outsourced completely. Like if you want to be an successful entrepreneur, so you have to, or if you want to be a successful businessman, so you have to learn marketing. It is very important thing. Like uh, else you cannot become a successful entrepreneur if you don't learn marketing. So you cannot become a successful entrepreneur or and Uh, and the last point is if you how know how to how to market and sell, you have a safe career. Yeah, because like if you know how to market and sell, you have a safe career, because all the other things like in today's time we are seeing like all the other industries acquired by the AI, all the other industries acquired by AI, because but marketing is all about psychology, and AI doesn't acquire our psychology. Like marketing is also about the communication and understanding the people. So AI doesn't communicate with other. So it's like, okay, so this is the point. Like yeah, so that's why we learn to marketing. Everyone should learn marketing for sales. Okay, so this is all for today's live. And okay, so for more videos, subscribe my channel and like this video if you like.